When it comes to building a strong, protected retirement portfolio, it can feel overwhelming trying to make the right decisions with your savings. But securing your future doesn't need to be complicated. Today, I'm going to walk you through the best strategies to ensure your wealth remains protected in an unpredictable world. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could make a big difference in how you approach your retirement. The first thing to understand is that diversification is key. We all know the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. But when it comes to retirement, too many people rely too heavily on one type of asset, like stocks or bonds. While these are important, they're vulnerable to market volatility. For retirees looking to protect their wealth, you want your portfolio to include a mix of assets. This can range from stocks to real estate, but one of the most effective diversifications comes from adding physical assets like gold to your portfolio. Gold has been a safe haven for centuries, and especially during times of economic instability, it maintains its value when other assets may falter. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I recommend clicking the first link in the description below to grab the free guide on why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. It's a step-by-step guide designed specifically for those looking to protect their retirement funds. This is something you want to consider if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even if you're sitting on 5M plus in savings. Next, you should also be paying attention to the fees that come with managing your portfolio. Some investments, particularly certain mutual funds, come with hidden fees that can erode your wealth over time. These fees may seem small at first glance, but when compounded over years, they can add up to a significant chunk of your savings. It's essential to choose investments that are transparent and low cost. This is why a gold IRA might be such a great option. It's typically much easier to find a plan with minimal fees compared to other retirement accounts, and you're not going to be surprised by high costs. Another crucial factor is securing your retirement against inflation. With the rising costs of living, a portfolio made up solely of cash or low-interest bonds may lose value in real terms. The dollar's purchasing power decreases over time, but gold historically rises in value during inflationary periods, making it a powerful asset to add to your portfolio. It's an inflation hedge that has stood the test of time. Unlike bonds or cash, a gold IRA offers a way to preserve the value of your savings, even when inflation is eating away at other types of investments. The next tip I want to share is understanding the role of tax advantages in your retirement planning. Many people overlook the tax benefits available through certain retirement accounts, but they're critical when you're trying to maximize your wealth for retirement. A gold IRA offers a unique tax advantage, allowing you to hold physical gold in a tax-advantaged account, which means it can grow without the immediate tax burden that you would face with other investments. This is why it's becoming the go-to option for high net worth individuals, particularly retirees who want to protect and grow their savings without having to deal with tax headaches every year. When you start building a strong, protected retirement portfolio, you also want to think about your income strategy. Are you relying on dividends from stocks, interest from bonds? While these can provide income, they can also be hit hard by market fluctuations or interest rate changes. Gold, on the other hand, doesn't provide income in the traditional sense, but it offers protection. When you add it to your portfolio, you're effectively ensuring that your savings won't lose value as other income-producing investments get affected by the economy. And finally, you need to stay on top of monitoring your portfolio regularly. A strong portfolio doesn't mean you set it and forget it. Whether you're managing your own investments or working with a financial advisor, you must be proactive. If the market shifts or new opportunities arise, you want to adjust your portfolio to stay in line with your goals. Gold IRAs are incredibly flexible, and they provide a safety net in times of uncertainty. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you, if you have over 100Ks in your IRA, 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, now is the time to take action. I mentioned earlier the importance of diversifying with gold, and there's no better way to do that than by opening a gold IRA. Click the first link in the description to get your free Gold IRA guide. It's a game changer for American retirees who want to secure their financial future. Building a strong, protected retirement portfolio doesn't have to be complicated. Just make sure you're diversifying wisely, keeping fees low, staying ahead of inflation, and using tax advantages where you can. And most importantly, consider how adding a gold IRA to your retirement plan can offer a layer of protection against economic instability. I'll see you in the next video, and remember, protecting your retirement starts with taking action today.